Perfect. Okay, now you can see we get all the different rooms and the whole planner here. We have the walls, the like the column, the window, the doors, like different things. And you can see the system can recognize different rooms, like the kitchen, the restroom, bedroom, the master bedroom, the yeah, another second bedroom, things like this, and the balcony. Okay, so we can select the room and begin our design. So I'm gonna choose this bedroom. So you can always select the room here, bedroom, and to make it 3D. Okay. So first, I would like to use our AI template to make the construction design first, and to put some like standard furniture, loose furniture in there, like bed and like wall decoration, like lights, because I don't want to do it from the beginning. It takes too much time. Today, I'm just gonna focus on the custom furniture. Okay, so I click the AI templates here and I click whole house because I want to decorate the whole house first, even if I only want to design the bedroom for now. Okay, and since it's a 3-bedroom, I can choose 3-bedroom here. And let me choose a template. We have so many templates here for you to choose. I think this one looks good. Okay, and then one click apply. Okay, just give him few seconds and I think it will all apply. Okay. Okay, so you can see it's all the custom cabinets and the decorations and the constructions are all loading. But you'll see since our floor plan is not exactly the same as the AI template, so there are some unmatched products, but you can just ignore it. We don't really need like all of it to be in our design.